It's Gina here. Welcome back to those of you who are subscribers and have been here before. And to those that are new, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Today we're going to do a short video, and it's actually going to be an unboxing of the April BoxyCharm. Now this box is already open. I'm just giving you my disclaimer right off the bat. This is when I went to take my label off. You kind of can't see BoxyCharm listed there. But when you open up the flap, there it is, right there. So we're going to get into this box. But before we do that, I would like to encourage you to subscribe. If you like the content that you see, by all means, share it, like it, and then hit the notification button down below. And anytime I upload a video, you'll be sure to know about it. Now, I'm going to borrow a page from a fellow YouTuber. So even if this particular video is not your cup of tea, by all means, consider subscribing anyway, because with the uploads that we do, and there will be many, I'm sure at some point there will be something that you like. So, by all means, consider subscribing. Okay, so here we go. This is the April BoxyCharm, and for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription, and you get 4 to 5, let me get a little bit closer, full-size products every month. And the subscription rate for this particular box is $21. Now, most likely, one, maybe even two full-size products will run you, and especially if they are a well-named product, will run you minimum of $21. So I'm pretty sure you'll get more than your money's worth, as I have with every subscription box that I have. Okay, we're not talking about that stuff anymore. We're just going to go ahead and dig into the box. So right off the bat, BoxyCharm, it gives you all of their different social media platforms, and it says hello charmer. So we're going to go ahead and open up the box for us all to see what's in here. And right on the top, there's, now this is new. This is new. It used to just be a card, and on the card it would come with, you know, several coupons and coupon codes and things like that with it. So, but this is the first time we've seen this. So before we start talking about these products, which by the way look pretty cool, we're going to talk about this. So yes, it is now a brochure. On the front, of course, this is BoxyCharm. On the back of it, there are coupon codes. Okay, which is wonderful. You can always keep track of everything in one place. Now the theme for this month is eye candy. So we're going to go ahead and get started. It has a list of all the products, okay, and information about them. So we're going to pull those products out, find out what the manufacturer's suggested retail price of them are, and there's a palette in here, y'all, so we're going to try out the palette as well. So the first item that we pull out of here is a set of brushes. Okay, so we're going to go over to our brochure, and it says these brushes, my apologies for the noise, I'm taking them out of the plastic so you can get a better look at them, but and they're cute, have little gems on it. They're pink and lilac, and the brochure says the SL Miss Glam Brush Duo. This duo eye brush set is made with one pink and lilac love. Be transported to a magically glam world by creating a flawless eye look that sparkles as if straight from a fairy tale. This eyeshadow brush and eye beauty blender are the very best quality eye brushes from the SL Miss Glam collection. It's time to channel your inner princess. Now, like I said, there is a palette in this box. Now, I don't usually use brushes without washing them first. We are going to use these brushes. So I'm just going to pull out handy dandy alcohol, and I'm going to go ahead and get those brushes sprayed, and that'll give me time to get them dry before we use them. Now, the manufacturer's suggested retail price for these brushes, $38.50. Guess what? Box paid for. And you have some reserve. So they're nice and fluffy, soft brushes. So we're going to see how they work, how they apply. They feel good on, you know, my wrist, but we all know the eye is a little bit more delicate than, you know, the skin on the wrist. So we're going to check those out in a minute. And let's go back to the box. Okay, and in the box there is, I'm sorry, taking paper. Sorry for the noise. I just don't want you to have a glare when we try to show it, you know, from the ring light. So this one is by the Browgal. And this is a tinted. Okay, I got a little bit of an issue, but we'll come back to that. It's tinted brow gel. And this is tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is $22. Now, I have a little bit of an issue because with BoxyCharm, when you first subscribe, they have you fill out a survey summary, you know, about yourself, find out the things that, you know, your skin complexion, you know, the type of skin that you have, the color of your hair, and the like. However, this one, they sent wow. They sent this color right here. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be able to do with that. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to try it out. We're going to be great team players. Hopefully, it will show up a little dark. No, it's not going to show up darker. I would just... Okay. Here we go. We're going to test it out and see. Now, I will tell you the product itself I do like. However, I'm not getting the full benefit of this. Why? Because it's not the right color. So I'm going to have to come back and fix that. That's just not going to work for me. So we'll see what we can do with that later on, whose hands I will be putting that in. So nonetheless, we'll put that to the side. But as I said, $22. Okay, so we have already exceeded the cost of this box by double. Okay, so the next product. Okay, now we didn't know what the name of the palette was before, but we know now. But we'll come back to that. The next thing in our box is from Dr. Brandt. We've had several products from Dr. Brandt before, and this one is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Haha, nice play on words. This is this award-winning pore refining mask. That's a good thing. Is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. Manufacturer suggested retail price. Okay, good look. Okay. Right there. $47. $47. What is that saying for the the value of our box? Okay, so I do like the Dr. Brandt products. It says Dr. Brandt recommendations. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. Well, right off the bat, we know this is not something we can just try right now and find out if it's going to be any good or not. So we will revisit this later on the channel. So back to the box. We have 2 more products in here. This one right here is we know that familiar packaging right there. It's MAC. And let's go ahead and open that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful coloring. Here we go. All right. And this is MAC Tinted Lipstick, a brilliant formula that pushes the boundaries of color. Each lipstick holds intense amounts of pigment, resulting in extreme color intensity, clarity, and vibrancy. This luxurious gelled base melts on contact, providing full saturated color with a satin finish in one stroke. That's what it says, in one stroke. Manufacturer's suggested retail price of this lipstick is $21. All right, let's try. I'm going to try to remember to just do one stroke. It's a little dark for me, but I can work with that. Now, I have to tell you, smells amazing. Smells amazing. Smells amazing. Felt amazing. Very moisturizing, and the color payoff. Okay, I'm gonna have to invest in some these Liptons. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I didn't even line it. Okay, drum roll please. Last item in the box, Colorpop eyeshadow palette. And this is called the Element of Surprise. Okay. And this is a 12 shadow palette. This is the packaging. Okay, and let's read what it says. Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. Get a load of this bold beauty. The perfect mix of edgy, dramatic, with a girly twist and bold pops of color. Okay. It says, this baby has you covered for the season. Our first palette with all 4 finishes: matte, metallic, satin, and duochrome. Make it so easy to shake up the scene. Alright, manufacturer suggested retail price of this beauty right here, $16. Let's get a look at some colors. Now, of course, Colorpops do not come, their palettes do not come with the mirror, but that's okay. The colors make us forgive them for that. How about that? So we're going to test it out a little bit in a minute. Yeah, let's see what we can do with this. Now, I have to admit, in the beginning I told you the monthly subscription rate for, oh wow, I didn't realize that some of the shadow was on the top. Okay, sorry, I digress. But the monthly subscription rate for this box is $21, okay? And with these products that we have, let's see, $21, $16, $47, $22, $38.50. That's $144.50. Not bad for $21. Okay, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So, I I would really recommend that you try it out. It gets you, it gives you a good way to build up your makeup collection without spending a whole lot. Okay, and all full size products. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, we're kind of working with it a little bit. Give me a minute. Okay, I gotta fix these brows because I'm looking like kind of a little crazy right here right now, and I'm not cool with that. So let me fix that, and then I'll come back and see you. Okay, I'm back. Now let's just talk about this for a second. First of all, I absolutely love the way these colors blended out. The color payoff is amazing. Now I used in this palette. Let me just pull it out this way. I used just 3 colors on this palette. I used this one, and this one. Okay, and let's just make sure we say it right. This one here is called Opulent. That's a duochrome. I used that one, and I used Late Night, which is this one right here. Okay, and I used Peace of Mind, which is this one right here. So I absolutely love this palette. Let me just say that right off the bat. So I'm going to have some fun with this. I will be playing with this more often. So nonetheless, I must admit I did like everything that came in this month's box, except for the color. I love the product, but I'm not a fan of the color of the Browgal. Absolutely love this formula of lipstick by MAC. And if this is anything like the other products by Dr. Brandt, I'm sure this one will be a winner as well. Plus, I'm sorry y'all, they're dirty, but because I really did use them, you know, to blend out the shadow. However, all of these products right here were amazing. So, $21 per month, $144 April value for BoxyCharm. I will definitely leave you a link below to subscribe. Now, under normal circumstances, being that this is already the 18th of the month, I would have said, well, y'all have already seen so many different BoxyCharm reviews. But the reason that I went ahead and put this up is because there were 5 different palettes this month, according to the BoxyCharm website, okay, and also their Instagram and their Facebook. And everyone did not receive the exact same box. Now, the one I received is listed right here below on the bottom of this card. It gives me the number 5. See, it's right here. Okay, so I was able to get this particular combination of goodies in my subscription box. So that is the reason I went ahead. Plus, you know, we got to make sure we're consistent with these things. So I want to make sure that y'all are provided with the very best from me, because we Seasoned Beauties, we got to stick together. And so this is the reason why I definitely went ahead and uploaded this particular video. So thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. I look forward to seeing you again. And just remember, regardless of the season that you're in, you're all Seasoned Beauties. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, because regardless, you are a Seasoned Beauty. It just depends on the season of your life that you're in. Thank you so much, and until the next video, have a blessed day.